Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to connect and charge two iPhones at the same time on a MacBook Pro. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac, two iPhones and two lightning cables. So we can now start the tutorial. Bring the iPhone into the frame, bring the second iPhone into the frame, bring the lightning cables for the connectivity. Connect one now. That is connected. Connect the second lightning cable to the MacBook Pro. And then connect the lightning cables to the iPhones. So that is iPhone number 1. And then connect the second iPhone now. And that is iPhone number 2. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to iTunes, click on the left top corner of the screen near music on iTunes. And now we see two iPhones. The first iPhone is my second iPhone. The second iPhone is my first iPhone, the main phone, the backup phone. So we can, if ever required, to eject two iPhones at the same time. But for the moment, I will be charging the iPhones until they get to 100%. So we can minimize for the moment. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.